Dibs, are you ready? Are you ready? Mom is leaving me. We tried it this morning. I say this morning, probably around 11, and it was around 16% moisture, so now it's about 2:30, and we're gonna try it again. So my moisture is reading about 13.7. I'm not too sure what the elevator wants it at, but evidently that's dry enough. So we're gonna roll with it. So this is our first field in Kansas, and let me tell you, it is feeling amazing. We've been cooped up in that camper for about 8 days, and that gets really boring. We have drove around in those 8 days, and from so far what we see is a lot of green wheat in this area of Kansas. We are in, that would be western Kansas. So far what I've seen, everyone has weeds. Which we were battling with weeds in Texas also. So, I mean, weeds is nothing new. That's not what I'm trying to say. But I'm pretty sure Kansas was in a drought. I'm not 100% sure because I don't live here, obviously. But I'm pretty sure Kansas was in a drought, and then they got a whole bunch of rain, and they couldn't get in the fields and spray. That's why there's weeds everywhere. That's no one's fault. Don't think I'm saying, oh, like, people don't know how to farm here. That's not what I'm saying at all. I mean, that's Mother Nature, you know, you can't really help that. And speaking of weeds, I think Mom just plugged her tailings, so I'm gonna go help her with that. Oh, the buzzer's about to go off. Yep. So when her tailings is full, I'm just gonna open the door. What she guess, it's full. Yeah, rip it wide open. Oh yeah. We're getting dusted out. This is your tailings or return elevator. That's what gets in there and plugs it up. To resolve that issue, you either go slower through the weeds or you open your bottom sieve. What, she's gonna open her bottom sieve. Okay, we're done with this half of the circle. Now we're gonna go do the other half. careful. Okay, but who really won? The person who backs off first, or the person that cleans up the rest? I don't know. We finished the circle. Now we gotta do dry lane corners, but that has to be separate. So I'm gonna dump into Cody really quick and change my field, and we'll do the dry lane corners.
Hey, my header, whenever I turn it on, it sounds like a belt squalling. Can you look at that for me? Eden?
That'd be somewhere in her sickle. It's gonna be hot somewhere. Alright, oh, there we go. I see a problem. See how that's not lined up and that's kind of crooked? You can see daylight through there. Yep. She got a broke section, so I guess she can go back to the pickup and fix that. But I'm gonna start on the dry lane corners and try to get something done while she goes and does that. What are you doing? Tim just spotted a rabbit and he just stood up on his back legs. I have never seen him do that. What is going on, dude? It's like, oh my gosh. He just honked the horn and turned on the blinker. He really wants that rabbit. So we finished with that field, and we're gonna move to the next one, but we're not 100% sure if that's gonna cut or not. Mom probably cut 100 feet, and the moisture is like 18 to 20. That's way too wet. So we're either going to have to find drier wheat, or we might be done for the day, or 2 or 3. There is drier wheat, it's just further away. And we can't move over there before it gets dark. So, I don't know what's next. Okay, so we've driven a whopping 50 feet. And we're gonna try the irrigated that's right next to the dry land. Different circle though. That was that circle, this is this circle. Yeah, we're gonna test this out. Okay, so we moved to that circle, and it's about 13.5, which is good enough. And I just got a weather notification that says severe thunderstorm watch, and it expires in 5 hours and 44 minutes. So that's awesome. But we're gonna get this circle opened up and get a hole in it, and try to get this thing knocked out before the rain comes.
I think it might have been planted on a 338 though, so I don't know if we want to move this or not.
It's fine. Don't matter.
Wow, that sunset is beautiful. Hold on. Let me get a line set here. I don't know if the camera does justice to this. This is like peak Kansas golden hour. It's amazing. This is insane. It looks like everything's on fire. I can't make that up. Okay, don't get me wrong, it looks pretty, but I want it to stay over there. Don't come this way. The lightning is crazy. I don't think a single second goes by without it going off. Kind of scary. Near full. It is now 10:15 at night, and we finished the east half of that circle. Now we're gonna go move to the west half. So Cody has 52,000, but we only have like 15, 20 acres-ish left in this field. So it's all not gonna fit on one truck. So Dad said to park it. That's gonna be it for today's video. Weather-wise, I think it was supposed to rain tonight, but we missed that one. We're good tomorrow, Wednesday, and then Thursday night it's supposed to rain. So maybe we can get a couple days of cutting in before it rains. Today on my Instagram, I kind of like updated everyone throughout the day of like what we did. And matter of fact, Instagram saw first of us cutting. If you noticed, us cutting wasn't in the first of this video. That's because Instagram saw that, not YouTube. So if y'all want to follow the Instagram, there's a link. My extensions don't want to fold in. There we go. So if you want to follow my Instagram, you can find that in my bio. But that's going to consist of the first day of Kansas wheat harvest that we have. There's going to be many more to come. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow.